Hey everyone, Sibin here. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how the webhook feature in Lunogen actually works. This is a really powerful capacity. It's basically allow your AI agent to wake up automatically when something happens in your app. For example, let's say a new task gets created in ClickUp. That event can trigger your agent instantly. The agent can pick it up, process it, complete the required actions, and even update the task status automatically. Same idea in CRMs like Soho, HubSpot. When a new lead comes in, the agent can jump in and do the research about the company, enrich the data, and update the lead all its own. And the best part is almost all the modern apps today support webhooks or APIs, which means the possibilities are huge. So in this video, I will show you a simple working example to help you understand how all this comes together. Let's get started. So now, if you're first time on this YouTube channel, make sure you have watched the first video where I'm explaining how to deploy a Lunogen agent. It's a simple process. You can simply click on the new Lunogen agent, connect with your WhatsApp or Telegram using a QR code, and then provide your API key and deploy Lunogen agent less than a minute. That's it. So now after deploying agent, you can see a card here. It's a running agent. Click on that. To set up the webhook, click on the more red button and then webhooks. So here it is empty. So I'm creating a new webhook. Click up task. Okay. Next capture. It is waiting to see how the payload will. So I'm copying the webhook URL from here. So this is my ClickUp board here, which is empty. There is no any task here. It's fine. Now let's create the automation. Click here, click on the automations and then add an automation. So this is a basic template already appeared here. Click on the change status to change it to call a webhook and then create a new webhook and give it a name Lunogen task automation and then give the same URL here and then create the webhook and create. That's it. Okay, and then go back to the board and then here on the draft, I'm creating a new task. Okay, right now it's still waiting to get the incoming request. To trigger a webhook, just create a task, give it a name. So I'm directly giving the task within the name itself. So that will be create a single page website similar to lunogen.com. Similar to that. Okay, just for demo purpose, I'm making it very simple. And now let's see. Yeah, it's triggered and the payload captured. And from the payload, what I need is the name of the task. So the name only keep the ID also. If we have the ClickUp MCP connected with the Lunogen agent, once this task is being completed, we can change this task status to completed automatically. But I'm not doing that in this video. So right now, anyway, we'll use the ClickUp ID and the name and click configure. Okay, now here you can give the instruction to the agent when it triggers. So I'm giving an instruction here. Plan and do the task and then the task name. Once your MCP is connected, you can even say like once the task is completed, change the status to completed in ClickUp. The task ID is the ID of the task. Okay, so right now this won't work, but this is how it works. Also, let's see for the testing purpose to see whether it's triggered or not. Let's trigger an automation to WhatsApp also, like trigger notifications to WhatsApp chat. First, send the task name to WhatsApp on. So I'm giving my number here and I'm not changing anything else. If there are a lot of options here such as tools, right now the default is all tools, but still you can even specifically choose some tools. Also you can even override the model to something else. If you want for a coding task, you can use the Anthropic models. Right now I'm choosing the default model which I set for the basic agent. I'm clicking save and activate. So the agent is activated. So to take effect, you need to click soft restart. That will restart the agent and all the configuration will take effect. Now that the agent has been restarted, let's navigate to ClickUp and create a new task. So the task I'm creating is, which I prepared here already, I'll show in a moment. The task is research and compile a list of companies in Dubai who provide ERP solutions. Okay. The idea is to find those companies, create a CSV file with email, phone number, all those details. So let's see if it's already triggered. Yeah. It seems it's triggered and it shared the first status as task started, the very same task here. Let's wait for a few minutes and let's see. It's actually progressing, it seems. And finally, I got the CSV file. Yeah, it seems it's all working perfect. So let me open the file and let's see. Yes, I can see in the preview. There are some companies and the phone number, emails and all list. Now let me create one more task. Okay. So here I'm creating another task like research about a company, Librami. and prepare a PDF file and send it to this number. So probably it has also triggered. Let's see. Yeah, the task is started. It will send the PDF file after some time. Let's see. Yeah, first the PDF file is already done. I got the PDF file ready. Most of apps today support webhooks. So whenever something happens in your system, your agent can jump in and handle it. It could be writing codes, creating a code, analyzing a meeting summary, resolving a support ticket, or even replying back to the customer. You just define the flow and the agent can plan, think, and use the right tools or integrations to get it done. There is honestly a lot of you can do with this. If you got any specific use case in mind, drop it in the comment. I will take a look at and respond for sure. And if you want to see more real world use cases like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thank you.